In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal account number. If you've ever been asked for your PayPal account number, here's the key idea up front. PayPal doesn't use a traditional bank-style account number. Instead, the identifier other people use to send you money is the email address or phone number on your PayPal account. I'll walk you through where to find that information and how to confirm exactly what you should share. Start by signing into your PayPal account. Use the official PayPal website or app and log in securely, just as you normally do. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Account Settings from the menu. This takes you to the main settings area where you manage your personal details and preferences. On the Account Settings page, look at the left-hand panel and select Account Owner Information. That section holds your basic profile details. When you open it, you'll see your name, your email address, your physical address, and your phone number. These are the identifiers tied to your account. In PayPal's world, your email address or your phone number is essentially your account number for receiving payments. For most people, using the email address is the easiest and most universal option. To confirm the exact email you should share, find your email line and click Update on the right side. The page will reload and display your PayPal email address clearly. Take a moment to read it carefully and make sure it's the one you intend to use for incoming payments. Accuracy matters here, because a single typo can send a payment to the wrong place or cause it to fail. Once you've verified that email, that's the detail you give to anyone who wants to send you money via PayPal. Instead of asking for a routing or account number, they'll simply enter that email when they make a payment. You can think of it as your PayPal handle. If you prefer using your phone number and it's listed and confirmed in this section, that can work too, but email is typically the most straightforward. To recap, log in, open account settings from your profile icon, go to Account Owner Information, and review your email address. Click Update to clearly see it, then share that email with anyone sending you funds. And a quick safety reminder, only share your email address for payments, never your password or security codes. That's all you need to confidently provide your PayPal account number.